Ever wondered if your pH test liquid is working effectively? Or do you just want to know how acidic or alkaline your water is? Here's an easy test that you can do at home. Before we get started, here's a quick tip. If you're doing this at home, you can use a tube that the product came in, and you only need to fill it up about half an inch, and that amounts to about 10 cc. And for every 10 cc, you'll need 1 to 2 drops. You'll be needing pH test liquid, which you can find on a2owater.com. You'll also be needing vinegar, which is naturally acidic, baking soda, which has a pH of 9, and tap water. Most tap water has a pH of around 7. And now we're going to be testing the pH of our tap water. As you can see here, the colors turn green, indicating neutral on our chart, but the vinegar that we're about to add is going to change the water to become more acidic. And now it's leaning towards a 4 on the pH scale. But the baking soda that we're about to add is going to change it to become more alkaline. And now the water is turning blue, which would indicate alkaline, around an 8 or so on the pH scale. Also, if you're doing this at home and you start off with more alkaline water, add some vinegar, which will balance it out. But if you start off with more acidic water, add some baking soda. Either way, you leave knowing that your pH test liquid works effectively.